Hey guys, welcome on Nested Memo channel. Guys, today I'm going to show you how we developer works on work from home. You know very well, due to the coronavirus we are indoor, and every IT industry is working from the home, so we are doing the same. And it's, I think, 10 to 11 days we are living at home and we are working from here. So guys, I think in your country you are also in the indoor, because most of the countries affected by the coronavirus, and we are fighting this war against the coronavirus to staying at home. So just I will show you where I am working right now. And guys, it's have been 10 to 11 days I am living here, and it's quite too much boring, but what we are just starting work from 9:30 to we are working till the office last time 7 o'clock. So in the day we are really very busy, and when we get others time, because we are not going anywhere, so I am utilizing my time to learning new things and to reading the novels, books.
Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now let me warm you.
You know guys, I have started one way, that I am reading novel daily, and spiritual novel as well as motivational, and there are so many novels I have read till the now. But right now I am reading the Life's Amazing Secret, written by the Gaur Gopal Das. It's a really quite amazing book, and I just point out few quotes from that book and post on the Twitter. So it's really inspired me. I feel better, and those who are reading these lines, so they also feel amazing. So you can connect me on Twitter ramkeshcsc084, and you will be connected to me more. And guys, if you are on those platforms, so you can also tag me with your content if you're working from home, or if you are a student, and if you're learning new things, if you are doing the programming, so you can also post the few photos of your codes on the Twitter, and you can tag me there. So it's quite amazing, and it will be more fun in this lockdown. And guys, this is my room. Let's show you a 360 view. And guys, if you are following me on my blogs, so I think you are well known to this room. And guys, we have taken the flat, and one room is here, one there, and one there is one kitchen. Guys, I was purchased this from Apollo. This is the mask when coronavirus started, and I have used 2 to 3 times, and after that you are not able to go outside. Here is my files, and I was purchased it when I was doing the BTech, and I have put all my document here. Guys, this is my tables. You can see there are so many goods there, and it is the developer's life. And this is my ID card when I was doing BTech, so I got this in my first year when I was taking admission. Here is my gloss, and guys, this is tripod I use for vlogging, and one more tripod which I use for vlogs, not vlogs, but I use to make Nested Mango videos. Guys, I want to tell you one thing, that when we are working from the home, so company track your work, what you are doing in your PC, and you have to run one software in your PC from when you start your working and when you completed your working hours. So what their software, let me tell you. Guys, this is one software, that is the Teramind. Okay, and they have installed in our PC, every employee PC, and you have to run the timer. I will show you how it works. You have to it's when you will search TeamViewer, so you will get this, and you have to not do anything. Company send you one link, and where you have to install, where you have to log in on website. So guys, you have not to worry about anything. Company provide everything on your Gmail, and they give you the link where you have to sign up, where you have to register. They provide everything, and they already registered you from their side. So they are the admin, and you are just working as a one element. And guys, especially what you have to do is that you have to start the timer, and in every software the process to starting the timer is different. And what they does is that they record the amount of time when you are working, and they silently they send your screenshot in every 5 minutes. And so this is what I wanted to share with you. And guys, hope you enjoy this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And guys, if you haven't checked out my blogging channel, so check out there. And I just make blogging videos in Hindi, but on the Minister Mango I am just trying to speak English. So if you are getting me somewhere wrong, so I'm very sorry for that. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, and please comment and let me know what you think about work from home. You can connect me on the Instagram, Twitter, so it will be lots of fun there. So bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.